Algebra 1, Lesson 7, Laws of Exponents. Remember your practice with variables in the last lesson? That experience will come to use when evaluating different exponential expressions, because we're going to use formulas or laws to evaluate them. The first law we'll call the product law. It says that if two exponential expressions have the same base a, when you multiply them together, you add the exponents and keep the base the same to get the answer. Evaluate 5 squared times 5 cubed. First, we identify that the base of both expressions are the same. The base is 5, so it will also be the base in our answer. Then we look at the exponents associated with the base and add them together. So 2 plus 3 equals 5. So our final answer is 5 to the 5th power. The second law we'll call the quotient law. It says that if two exponential expressions have the same base a, when you divide them, you subtract the exponents and keep the base the same to get the answer. You start with the exponent in the numerator, and then subtract the exponent in the denominator from it. Evaluate 7 to the 8th power over 7 to the 5th power. First, we identify that the base of both expressions are the same. The base is 7, so it will also be the base in our answer. Then we look at the exponents associated with the base and subtract the lower exponent from the higher exponent. So 8 minus 5 equals 3. So our final answer is 7 cubed. The third law we'll call the power law. It says that if you raise an exponential expression to another exponent, then the answer is the base raised to the two exponents multiplied together. Evaluate 9 cubed raised to the 4th power. First, we identify our exponential expression. Usually it will be inside a pair of parentheses. The expression is 9 cubed. Then we identify the exponent it is being raised to, which is usually outside the parenthesis to the upper right. Lastly, we multiply the exponent from the expression inside the parenthesis to the exponent from outside the parenthesis. So 3 times 4 equals 12. We keep the same base of 9 according to our formula, and we get a final answer of 9 to the 12th power. Finally, we have the power of a quotient law. It says that if you raise a quotient a over b to the nth power, you can apply the power to both the numerator and the denominator. For example, 2/5 squared is equal to 2 squared over 5 squared. When you evaluate the numerator and denominator, you get 4 over 25 as the final solution. There are a few more formulas we need to know when dealing with exponents, but those formulas are related to the laws of radical expressions, which we will cover in the next lesson. Make sure to get some practice with these laws first, and we'll see you in the next lesson.